Hello guys, so this video we will be doing exercise present regarding reported speech. Before doing the exercise, we like to review a little bit about the changes of the time and tenses. So for the time, we change direct speech to reported speech. Example, now change to then, today change to that day, yesterday change to the day before, tomorrow change to the next day, here change to there, and the tenses we change from direct speech to reported speech, like am is are change to was were, present simple change to past simple, present continuous change to past continuous, past simple change to past perfect, will change to would, can change to could, must change to had to, may change to might. Now let's get started with the exercise. So we can take a look at our first exercise right here. He said, I wake up early every day. So this is the present simple tense. So we change it to past simple. So it becomes, he said that he woke up early every day. Number 2, she teaches English at a school, they said. In reported speech, they said that she taught English at school. So this is a present simple, we change to past simple. Number 3, we play football after class, the student said. The students said they played football after class. Number 4, I liked reading books, he said. He said that he liked reading books. Number 5, we study English on Monday, they said. They said that they studied English on Monday. Number 6, the sun rises in the east, the teacher said. The teacher said that the sun rises in the east. Since it is a general truth, so the tense doesn't change. So in this exercise A, it is the change of present simple to reported speech. So we study 6 sentences of present simple. Now you can take a look at our letter B. It is about the past simple change to reported speech. Number 7, I visited my grandmother yesterday. So past simple change to past perfect. She said that she had visited her grandmother the day before. So past simple, visited. We change to past perfect, had visited. The time expression right here is yesterday. We change to the day before. Number 8, I finished my homework last night, he said. He said that he had finished his homework the night before. Number 9, we played football after school. They said that they had played football after school. Number 10, I watched a movie last weekend, she said. She said that she had watched a movie the week before. Number 11, we learned English at primary school, they said. They said that they had learned English at a primary school. Number 12, I explained the lesson clearly, the teacher said. The teacher said that he had explained the lesson clearly. Move to exercise C, present continuous, reported speech. Number 13, I am studying English now, he said. He said that he was studying, we change now to then. Present continuous change to past continuous. I am cooking dinner in the kitchen, she said. She said that she was cooking dinner in the kitchen. Number 15, we are playing football at the field, they said. They said that they were playing football in the field. I am reading a book at the moment, he said. He said that he was reading the book at that moment. We are preparing for the exam, they said. They said that they were preparing for the exam. The students are listening to the teacher, she said. She said that the students were listening to the teacher. Okay, now we can move to the modal verb. So modal verb and will to report the speech. Okay, number 19. I can speak basic English, he said. He said that he could speak basic English. So we change from can to could. You must finish your work today, the teacher said. The teacher said that I had to finish my work that day. You should study harder for the exam, she said. She said that I should study harder for the exam. So when we use the word should in the actual speech, we do not change. So should cannot change. I may come to the meeting later, he said. He said that he might come to the meeting later. So may change to might. We have to wear uniforms at school, they said. They said that they had to wear uniforms at school. You should not be late for class, the teacher said. The teacher said that I should not be late for class. Number 25. I will help you with your homework, she said. She said that she would help me with my homework. I will travel to Phnom Penh next week, he said. He said that he would travel to Phnom Penh the next week. We will start the project tomorrow, they said. They said that they would start the project the next day. The last sentence, we will practice English every day, the students said. The students said that they would practice English every day.